Pressure test natural gas and propane lines at 6 pounds per square inch to meet code minimums and ensure a safe margin above normal operating pressure. For a reliable pressure test, isolate the system and cap all outlets, then attach a calibrated manometer or gauge rated for low-pressure gas testing. Do not rely on household tire gauges. Pressurize the line with dry nitrogen or an inert tracer gas to 6 pounds per square inch. Using the supply gas for pressurization adds unnecessary risk and can mask slow leaks due to absorption. Hold the pressure while recording the initial reading, then apply a soap solution or electronic gas sniffer to all joints and fittings. Bubbles or rising readings on the sniffer indicate a leak. Perform a pressure drop test over at least 10 minutes for short runs and up to 30 minutes for longer or buried runs, documenting start and end pressures with timestamps so inspectors can verify stability. If testing downstream of regulators, isolate the regulator and test the portion of the system that will be live. Never test across a regulator without following the manufacturer and code procedures. For systems with appliances attached, disconnect or cap appliance valves and label them to prevent accidental connection before final recommissioning. After a successful test, purge the test gas with natural gas or propane as required by local code, venting outdoors and following ventilation rules to avoid flammable concentrations. Keep a written test report that includes tester name, equipment calibration date, test medium, 6 pounds per square inch test pressure, duration, and corrective actions taken if leaks were found. One of the most common mistakes is using an improper test pressure. Testing at too low a pressure, for example, less than required code minimums, can pass a line that will leak at operating pressure. Fix this by always using 6 pounds per square inch for both natural gas and propane, and verifying your gauge calibration before the test. One of the next frequent issues is not isolating appliances and regulators, which can lead to damage or inaccurate results. Fix by capping appliance valves, isolating regulators per manufacturer instructions, and clearly tagging disconnected components. One of the other recurring problems is relying on visual checks or uncalibrated gauges instead of proper instruments. Fix by using a calibrated manometer or an electronic leak detector, performing timed pressure hold tests, and documenting readings and timestamps. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local contractors who are experienced with 6 pounds per square inch pressure testing and gas safety compliance. The directory helps homeowners find certified technicians and helps contractors get work by showcasing verified reviews and contact-ready profiles.